Hello, my name's Josie. I'm a short woman with brown hair and a blonde strip at the front. I'm standing here in Manchester Art Gallery in an exhibition called Out of the Crate. So behind me there's some sculptures and some of them are still in their boxes. They're wrapped up, kept safe. I love this exhibition because, well, firstly, there's a lot of sculpture, which is great when we're working with the body. It's a very physical form. And I love all of the different things that we can see in this exhibition. I also love the fact that feel like they're moving, they're in transit, and we get a little glimpse into the inner works of the gallery. I'm a dancer and I have always danced. For me, it's the way that I express myself, it's the way that I can be curious about things and the way that I can play. So I went in to do a dance degree, but a lot of the work that I've always done has been around art making and expressing ourselves through different mediums. So I love to work with dancing and then art making and getting a bit messy. I love working with school groups because they are experts at play. They always bring new ideas and surprise me. They have fantastic imaginations. And also I love working in the gallery with school groups because I feel like children need to be taking up spaces like this art gallery. School groups will get a chance to move and to play, and they'll get a chance to explore their noticing skills. And by that, I don't just mean noticing with the eyes and seeing, but I mean noticing with their whole bodies. So using different sensations and their experience to find more out about the art around them.